Right on, guys, compacting another job here, last few remaining for the day, and recharge the battery of the GoPro and insert a new SD card. So let's get out of here to the next jobs. Oh, I forgot to put back the bean. Can't do it now. Not much weight today, but again, a lot of volume. The last few days I was packed. I forgot to put the bean back. Tell you one thing for sure, after all these tight alleys and maneuvering like 60 stops a day, when I will start probably driving road trains, I'm sure there will be other challenges, but I reckon this is good training. The sensors start playing, saying the back door is opening. Well, that will be a nightmare. It's impossible. It opens. It's mechanically locked, so hydraulically operated and mechanically locked. So those locks, there's no way they will open. And it's just the sensors, yeah, getting dirty. Got a few new jobs here coming up. Alright, so we're gonna have delay today.
Benjamin BJ.
Hello, mate.
Yeah, buddy.
How's it going?
There'll be a couple of extras pop up on your screen in a sec.
Yeah.
They're just up here at like Sunnybanks area.
Yeah.
You should know you do them on other days. So it is.
Yeah. I got Commandex Jackson Road, 215 Jackson Road.
Yeah.
Which Sunnybank Hills, and yep, So what should I do now? I just live in
You're just leaving Fallon's?
Fallon Solutions. You know what? I know what is it?
Yeah. So
Yeah.
I would go and do.
I was going to do the Brisbane Golf Club. So what should I do now?
I would go and do Commandex.
Yep.
Commandex, Oneness, Truck Parts, and then you've got like Action Metal.
So Commandex, then Walness Truck Parts, Action Metal.
Yep.
Okay.
Action Metal, they're pretty much in the same, like next to each other.
Yeah.
And you got Ford Truck Wash. Now they're all pretty much next to each other there.
Yeah.
And then go to Ballast Australia.
Yeah.
Ballast Australia, they'll call their number and see if they need it. So if
Okay.
they don't, then fucking leave them.
Yeah.
Then go to Brisbane Isuzu.
Yeah.
And then go back to, go over to Brisbane Golf Club and all that.
Yeah. Okay. So let's see. So right. So Commandex, then Walness, Action Metal, and
Yep.
then you said
For Truck Wash.
Truck Wash. What is it? Yeah. The Isuzu.
Yeah, for Truck Wash. Aye.
Hang on. Wait. Sorry.
Hold on. No, sorry. That's done.
I don't.
No, you don't have that. No worries.
Yeah. No, I got Isuzu.
Yeah, so you would go Dallas after Oneness Truck Parts and all that,
Yeah.
and then go to Brisbane Isuzu,
Yeah.
and then go back to what you were sort of doing, or what are you doing?
And what about Bellis Australia?
Dallas.
I do with Walnut, Action Metal, and Bellis.
Yeah, do Dallas after those, but call them before you go there just to see if they actually need it.
All right. Cool, mate. And then and then after all those, I do Isuzu last.
Yeah, then just go back to your normal stuff.
Okay. All right, cool, mate.
But
No worries. What happened? What happened to Lay? Did it break down?
oh, yeah, he had a hose go yesterday, and the same hose that they replaced.
Yeah.
Leaking, so he's been off the road again, so he's just running out of time. So
What a pain. Oh. Okay. I'll see you in a bit.
cheers, Exably.
Cheers. Thanks, man. Bye. So we got via internet and live feed. We got new jobs. Ops manager just call in, give me some directions on which one to go first. Put in the satellites and pretty much the same way we're supposed to go. And well, let's see what happens. Surprise is one of the our teammates broke down yesterday. One of the as you heard, probably one of the I guess one of the manifolds or hydraulic pipes. They fixed it, broke down again, same place.
300 meters.
So delays. So I'm supposed to finish early today because well, tonight I have to do an extra and get some training on a different truck with different equipment. So I was counting on finishing early, but looks like it's not the case.